On behalf of Faculty of Arts, I, Professor Komal Adich, Dean, welcome all of you to the challenging, diverse and lively atmosphere of Manipal University, Jaipur, one of the best universities in this country. We take pride in giving the students here the ample opportunities, not just for their academic growth and learning only, but also to make them discover who they are and how they can make a difference in this world. Structurally, Faculty of Arts has two schools. Under School of Humanities and Social Sciences, we have 5 undergraduate programs: BA Honours in English, Economics, Psychology, BA program in Liberal Arts and Sports, Master's program in Psychology, English and Economics, also PhD program in varied disciplines. Under School of Media and Communication, we have Bachelor's program in Journalism and Mass Communication and Master's program again in Journalism and Mass Communication, and also the doctoral program. To ensure that the students have quality learning experience, we have highly experienced and qualified faculty members. We have state-of-the-art infrastructure, well-equipped libraries, labs, ICT-enabled classrooms to make sure that the students have a memorable experience here within the safe space. Faculty of Arts believes in best, effective and innovative approaches to learning. The visionary and dynamic curriculum has been meticulously designed to meet the challenges of the 21st century. It provides flexibility to the students so that the student can choose the subjects of his or her own choice, which can be interdisciplinary, intradisciplinary, or open elective courses. Even the core courses have all the contemporary courses, and we have, for enhancing the employability attributes of the students, skill enhancement courses, ability enhancement courses, and to make them good citizens, value-added courses. Our students have been well placed in public as well as private sector, and some of them have gone for higher studies in institutes which are the best in this country as well as abroad. Recently, TelSmart company has recruited 2 of our students on a package of 17.5 lakh per annum. So I invite all the students to Manipal University Jaipur campus to spend their wonderful years with us. Thank you so much.